So some of the stuff that we highlight here are that it's a technical milestone, yes, to have trustees on chain, but what makes it truly significant, especially for Project Acacia, is how it forces traditional roles in financial services to evolve, especially the role of the trustee. And we've got a few trustees involved in our particular project at Not Centralized that we're doing for Project Acacia. So we'll hear from Eric on this more, but we unpack that shift in this blog because while much of the industry conversation around tokenization is focused on speed, transparency, programmability, the real unlock comes when we bring legal trust structures and digital asset flows into alignment. If you don't have that alignment, you can talk about all the TVL that you want, but it really does not matter. We talked about tokenized stocks in previous weeks, and if they're nothing more than IOUs, and there's even worse, not much legal recourse backing them, then there's no point. So this is really important, and it's why we are going to have a lawyer on stage here later on. So Eric has a few quotes in this. Trustees in the traditional world, we talk about the same role, but new tools. So not too much changes, it's just made more efficient. And that's what blockchain provides. So we'll talk about that and the bridging of the gap between legal certainty and digital execution. So the uniqueness of what blockchain provides is certainly going to be brought to the forefront in our episode later with our guest, Eric. Here's an article from Reuters, which is all about small public companies snapping up Ether in a new crypto gold rush, even as risks linger.